Hello everybody. Welcome back to my channel Sang Pemandu. Today I have found a big monitor lizard, guys, over there. Yeah, I try to catch with my simple camera. I have to hiding. It's big monitor lizard. I think it's one monitor lizard starving and looking for the dead animal or chicken. Yeah, in close to my jungle. Yeah, thanks a lot, guys, to support this channel. I hope you enjoy this video. Yeah, I have to hiding to catch this moment because it's a big monitor reset I have seen. So thank a lot, guys, to support this channel, and I hope you enjoy this video. Yeah, I have to keep hiding to catch with my simple camera the monitor lizard activities. And the monitor lizard is found dead animal monkey's body. You know, yeah, and now the smell is so bad, close on my nose. I try to hiding and to see this big monitor lizards bite dead body of monkeys. Yeah, but if I move little bit move and the monitor lizard know about me, so the monitor lizard will be, or I mean the monitor lizard will run away, and it's gone. So I have to keep hiding and then to catch with my simple camera. I think between me and monitor lizard around 10, I think 6 meter. I think yeah, around 7 meter, 6 meter. Yeah, you can see right that monitor lizards over there. It's moving, guys. I think it's good. So monitor lizards, a lot of monitor lizards. Monitor lizard can eat the monkeys' bodies. Dead monkeys, dead animal. So I think it's good. So I think dead animal around you, around your environment, I think will be gone because the school monitor lizard can eat this dead body. So the smell is gone. You know, but I think it's good if a lot of monitor lizard around you. So I let it around me. I never disturb the monitor lizard. Guys. Yeah, I think the monitor lizard is good to eat the dead body, like the monkey's body, chicken bodies, dead chicken bodies, dead monkey's bodies, and the rest. Because if have no monitor lizard, so I think that body will uh, give you the smell, the bad smell. I think it's not good for your environment, for your air. You know, I think it's okay. I try to catch this monitor lizards movement. Yeah, behind uh, here. Yeah, I try hiding, keep hiding. I think it's a big monitor lizard eating that's monkey's bodies, over there. Yeah. Okay, guys. Yeah, I think it's a little bit big. I think a lot of monitor lizard around my house, but I should let it go. It's free because sometimes a lot the dead squirrel bodies and monkeys and the rest, guys. Yeah, I hope you enjoy this video, guys. Thank a lot to support this channel. Makasih kawan-kawan. Itu adalah apa ya? Biawak lagi makan bangkai monyet ya. Kemarin bangkai monyet itu ada dekat di sekitar rumah aku, sekitar hutan ini juga kayak tupai juga sering kan, bangkai-bangkai ayam apa semua dimakan sama dia biar dia tidak menimbulkan bau busuk ya. Bagus, terima kasih kawan-kawan yang sudah like, comment, share, subscribe channel ini yang telah support. Okay guys, thank a lot. See you, bye bye.